let's talk about one powerful trading rule that everyone out there who trades supply and demand needs to understand. It is the one box trading rule that all of you are going to want to master, and that is being able to identify which candle, when it comes to supply and demand, to mark the box up around. It's a very important concept because if you get this wrong, it can make the difference of you, either failing and taking a bad trade or, taking a real good setup as well. Now, the way I like to mark up my boxes when it comes to supply and demand, it all is centered around one specific candle. You're either going to have a supply candle or a demand candle. Yes, we're talking about this one rule in marking up your charts or drawing the supply and demand zones correctly. All right, I'm going to show you two examples. The first one's going to be a supply setup and where we have a supply zone, okay, and we're going to be looking at that last bullish candle that pushes to the upside, which is going to mark up to be that supply candle, okay, and we draw our box around that one particular candle in that area. The next one's going to be a demand setup where we mark a demand zone, all right, we are looking at the last down bearish candle, which is we're going to mark up that candle and draw it around it. It's going to be our demand candle, all right, so we're going to draw one box around each one of these zones. The thing you need to master when it comes to trading, first and foremost, the core concept is market structure. I'm putting this out there, and I reinforce this in every single video because structure is extremely important, all right. If you're interested, in understanding the strategy and how I trade, I talk about that in a lot of my video content. It's very simple. I go into more detail in reference to the blueprint or the cornerstone to how I actually trade within the private community for everyone who is part of it, the elite and ultra elite supporters. Okay, if you want to become a member, I'll talk about that towards the latter portion of this video. It is very inexpensive. It's only $6.99 a month, which breaks down to be 24 cents on the day. All right, if you choose to become an elite member, okay? But that is where I go into great detail about the strategy. And I want to see people, become inspired for one, take on, and have motivation and have drive to be able to, in the next or incoming year, 2026, to make some profit, to make some money. Now, all you need to do, like I said, is to look to determine what is the market doing in reference to structure, okay? That is the single most important or the number one step that I talk about in my strategy as a whole, all right? We need to identify, are we bullish or bearish? And if we're bearish on a higher base chart, everything starts in my trading strategy and looking at a higher base chart. I'm using top-down analysis starting from a higher chart to depict the overall direction of the market. From there, once I determine, say, we're in a bullish trend to the downside and we're continuously breaking structure, I'm looking for key areas or pullbacks to areas of supply and inverse of if we're pushing to the upside and we're bullish and we're trending to the upside. So we are bearish to the downside here. You have got to be able to see this, guys. Lows, lower highs, lows, lower highs, lows, lower highs, lows. We are making and transitioning, trending lower, okay? So this right here, we've made a low right here, all right? I'm going to show you an example of a supply setup where we can mark up that one box, all right? A low right here, we've got a pullback where we have just a bullish channel going to the upside where it's breaking structure. This is a major low. The market comes down there. We break below that major low right there. Look, aggressive selling that took out that area there. That is a massive break of structure or a major point of structure that's being taken out to the downside. I talk about that in my videos as well for anyone who is an elite and ultra elite supporter. The purpose of for those that want to become an elite and ultra elite and everyone who is joined, thank you for doing so. You're supporting the efforts of the channel here. But that is where I go into great detail about this strategy, guys. The things I'm talking about right now, I go into detail and I show you setup after setup after setup, trades that I have actually taken and posted over on our Discord. All right. I have broken them down and gone over in great detail as if you're sitting right next to me. Okay. So this is a break of structure. That is very, very important. I must have a break of structure as part of my strategy. This is what I go over in to all those who are the elite and the ultra elite supporters. Okay. Now, it broke structure here, a major area of structure here. Pulls back. We have an aggressive area of selling right here. Pulls back to the zone right here. All right. The way we mark this up is going to be right there. You see that bullish candle right there? That last bullish candle to the upside right there? That is the supply candle. We need to mark up the bottom end of that bullish candle to the top end of it. Now, if you have let's say that the next candle that's forming may be a bearish candle, right? And let's say it breaks above the wick of it, or any portion of the body of it breaks above that last bullish candle, which is our supply candle, right? Then you want to include the top end of that bearish candle down to the bottom of that bullish candle, okay? Again, the bullish candle, the supply zone is marked up off of that actual supply candle, that bullish candle, right? That's what we're going to mark our box right here. So when the market retraces back to that area and taps into the supply zone, that's when you can take interest to go short. Now, I don't go short off of I would go short from this area here. Off of my higher base chart, I'll scale down to a lower chart, like a 24 range chart. So I always start with my higher chart, my 120, move down to a 24, which is my entry chart. But I mark up my zones off of, say, for example, the higher base chart, okay? This is a beautiful setup, especially when you are able to mark up supply and demand zones off of your higher charts. They're going to hold a lot more weight than marking them up off of a lower base chart. So I'm looking for a breaker structure, broke a major area structure. And I talk about this as well. Look for where the market is breaking in major key points, a major high or major low area structure, okay? I talk about that in the elite and the ultra elite membership program as well, okay? So anyways, broke structure here, pulls back to the supply area here. Boom, we tapped it. From here, I'm moving down to my lower base chart to find an opportunity to go short, where we have basically a transition where the market may have been like looking bullish to the upside here on the lower channel. I mean, not lower channel, on the lower chart. And then we were looking for a setup to where it creates a supply area on the lower base chart to go and move in a direction with the higher base chart direction, which is bearish to the downside right here. You can see that, okay? So pull back to the supply area. I'm going short once it taps into the zone, and then we get what? We get rejection from the lower base chart where we have like a beautiful area of supply that sets up. So supply within the supply on the higher base chart, supply on the lower base chart. Now, demand setup. All right, from there, we start to move back to the upside. We're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. It takes out this high right there, okay? Once we do that, look, aggressive buying to the upside, took out that high here. We have a beautiful area where the market broke a small area structure right here, pushes up, pulls back, break structure, okay, above this area right here. So we have a demand zone, pulls back to the actual demand zone right here, all right, right there, and it goes to the upside, okay? Again, the demand markups are going to be opposite of what a supply market would be. So when it comes to demand, we're looking at the last bearish candle to the downside, mark the top end of it, including the wick, to the bottom end of that bearish candle. All right, that's going to be our demand candle. We draw our box around. Now, if you have any portion of, say, the next candle, which is going to be a bullish candle, more than likely it should be if we're moving to the upside, where it breaks below, say the wick, okay, breaks below the body of that that bearish candle there. They include that area of the bullish candle, okay, and also the top end of that bearish candle right there. That's going to mark up the one box that you need that is going to help dictate everything when it comes to this trading rule, okay? You have to have a clean setup. Now, something else that makes up the difference of a high probability or low probability setup, or in reference to the supply and demand markups when it comes to this one box rule, look, it must have an imbalance or gap resting back at the zone. There's an imbalance resting right there. Okay, we want to have an imbalance resting back at the zone. We want the market to come to that area there and pretty much, come to that area there, tap the zone, where there's an imbalance at, and then look for the rejection to take the trade going in the same direction as the market is moving, going to the bullish to the upside here. Okay, you see, broke that area of structure there. It broke multiple areas of structure. We had highs, higher lows, highs, higher lows, higher highs. You can see here, pushes up. Taking out multiple areas of structure here, here, and even here, here, and right here. So we're looking for things like that when the market is bullish to the upside. We're looking to take demand setups. This is extremely important. Being able to mark up your supply and demand zones and knowing which candle to mark to mark your box around. Okay, that supply box, that demand box. You have to know that one candle is, if it's a supply setup, then it's going to be the last bullish candle that we mark up around the box around that candle. If it's a demand setup, it's going to be it's going to be that last bearish candle to the downside that we mark the box up around. Okay, want to share that with you guys because that's extremely important when it comes to trading these high probability supply and demand zones. All right, now today, yes, is Christmas Eve. I wish everyone out there, I want to say this now because next week we're moving into a new year, and I want and I hope to see everyone and someone out there Continue dropping your testimonials. If you're passing your challenges and evaluations, guys, come over to the Discord and make a post on the testimonial side, okay? I'm sharing this information. I've been sharing content for years because I truly want to inspire and see people become motivated and, hopefully move in the direction of making some extra income or even full-time income and making this your career. But I hope 2026 for a lot of you is that year. I know that a lot of you have been putting in that hard work. And I just want to say, first and foremost, anyone out there who celebrates the holidays out there, happy holidays as we get ready to move into tomorrow. It's Christmas. For anyone that celebrates it or celebrates any other holiday, at this time of the year, happy holidays and happy new year to everyone out there from the bottom of my heart. And I truly would love to see more people become successful into 2026. Now, if you want to become and really want to center your mindset, your mind around how to trade futures using a very good strategy and how I trade just using range bar charts. No, I don't use time charts, guys. So you got to understand this. We have a lot of people that come over and been watching my video content, and they have actually shifted from time charts and other chart styles to actually changing range bars. And the reason why, because the charts are cleaner to the eye when you really get a feel for them. When you lay your eyes on them, you can start to see, hey, this stuff doesn't look as congested or, bunched up or just kind of confusing when it comes to the odds, because you have large wicks, small wicks, everything may kind of, be meshing kind of together. To me, when I look at range bars, I can just see the movement. I can see the breaker structure is pretty clear. And to me, it's just easy to trade. Now, I'm not saying that's for everybody, but you got to find your own edge and your own niche in these markets, no matter what strategy you trade. But if you are interested in understanding the strategy and how I trade, you can become an elite or ultra elite supporter of the channel or member of the channel today. There's a link down in the description portion of the video. It's titled Elite or Ultra Elite Supporters. Click on that. As soon as you do, there will be a few tiers that pop up. This is all through the YouTube membership program here on my channel. All you have to do is select either Elite or the Ultra Elite tier. When you choose the Elite, for example, and become an Elite supporter, you're going to receive all the trade breakdown videos. If you go over and you join the Discord, it's free. And come over to the Trading Floor channel. You'll see where I've been posting my trades as well as other fellow members who are part of the channel. But after that, I'll go back and I'll break my trades down, making video content for you, anyone out there who becomes an elite or for all those who are currently an elite and or ultra elite supporters. I'll break down my trades in detail so that you understand, the mindset. Why did I take the trade? What was structure looking like? I break things down, I analyze it for you. We talk about the structure. We look at the price action. We talk about, as I'm breaking it down, the stop loss placement, the profit target areas. I break down every one of my trades. There are tons and tons of video content. And, the thing about these videos is like when you're in school, what do? We are visual learners, most of us. So by supplying and making this video content surrounding these breakdowns that I've traded and trades that I've posted over on the Discord, so that you can grasp and understand it, it helps you understand the strategy as a whole. And that is probably the biggest thing, is visual learning. So as you do so, you're able to apply it when you're back testing and forward testing the strategy for yourself. Okay. We've had a lot of people who are successful come and go. I don't expect everyone to stick around on the Discord forever, or even be part of the community forever as far as like an elite or an ultra elite supporter. But that is where the blueprint and the cornerstone of how I trade is posted, because that's where I really go into detail surrounding the trade breakdowns. You receive my video playlist and a great video surrounding market structure if you choose to become an elite supporter or member of the channel. Now, if you want to take it one step up and receive all my live recorded trading sessions that I post, I record my sessions in length, and then I'll go back and I will post the video content for the ultra elite supporters to watch just as well. So with the ultra elite membership, you receive the trade breakdowns, tons of that video content, the market structure video, the video playlist, plus my live recorded trading session videos that I post. Okay, that's where I walk you through top-down analysis, analyzing the market for you. You see me engage in trades. I'm talking to you when I'm making these videos, so you understand the trades that I'm actually taking surrounding supply and demand. All right, so the choice is yours. The link is down in the description for anyone that's interested in becoming an elite or an ultra elite supporter. But that's all I have, guys. I just want to kind of wrap this up, show you how important in this video that one box when it comes to trading is so important, and how to mark it up or how to draw it. Okay. Again, if you have not taken time to subscribe to the channel, guys, please sub right now. Click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing. Also, make sure to click the bell as soon as you do, so that you do not miss any other uploaded content here on the channel. And last but not least, if you found some value in today's video and you say, hey, I just want to thank Mike for everything he's ever done just as well, please make sure to drop me a like by clicking that thumbs up button. I greatly appreciate it. Take care. And again, I wish everyone a happy holidays. I'll see you in the next one.